Right, so you know it, I know it. These 2-minute tutorial Tuesdays are becoming a little bit of a joke right now. I'm finding it difficult to keep within the 2 minutes, but today I think I have the perfect tutorial where I can actually stay within the time frame and make sure that I get you guys flying like bosses. So if you're interested in learning about one of the most underrated jump rope moves in my opinion, then stick around after that intro and I'll see you in the next clip. Peace.
And I'm like, hello, it's good to finally let go. I ain't worried about a thing. I just like to keep it mellow. Yeah, I like to keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow.
What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rishi S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. In today's 2-minute tutorial Tuesday, I'm going to be teaching you guys 4 variations of the run skip. Now this is pretty much a kind of all spectrum kind of tutorial, guys. I'm going to be showing you some beginner moves and then we're going to finish off with an advanced kind of variation of it. The run skip is super underrated in my opinion. It's one of the best fat burning exercises you can have in your arsenal when it comes to your skipping workouts and training sessions. These 4 variations are going to make sure you get a killer sweat on, going to keep you looking slick and make sure you get heads turning wherever you are skipping, guys, and that is what this channel is all about. If this is the first time you are hitting up Rush Athletics TV, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and join the hottest fitness community across the world today. If you're looking for any ropes, any speed ropes, this is the one that you need, guys. This is the Rush Athletics Speed Rope, aka the money rope, best-selling speed rope across the world. Use YouTube 10 for 10% discount. We're also stocking on most Amazon websites, so get online right now. Please do excuse the mess in the background, guys. Please do excuse the mess in the background, guys. We've been hard at work getting those icon ropes out to you. Let's get straight into this tutorial, guys. I promise you I'm gonna stick within the 2 minutes. Let's get the timer running right now. So the first drill is this. We're gonna show you the basic run skip, right? So the basic run skip is for all you beginners out there, and a lot of people are having trouble with transferring the weight. So this is how you're gonna do your run skip, right? As you start your skipping, guys, we've already talked a lot about the technicals and the fundamentals of where your arms should be, but I want you to start to learn to take it slowly and start transferring the weight left and right, staying on the balls of your feet. This is pretty much the conventional run skip. That's variation number 1. As you get better, you're gonna get faster. You're gonna drive those knees higher, and you're gonna up the speed, and then slow it down. It's all about the weight transfer when it comes to this move. I want you to practice staying on the balls of your feet, transferring the weight left and right. That's variation number 1. I told you this is gonna be super quick today. Right, variation number 2, guys, is to incorporate the run skip with side swings. As you're hitting your run skips now, intermediate move here, I want you to keep the legs moving whilst you do the side swing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Remember, I'm predominantly left-handed. My left hand is dominant, so it's gonna always go left first for me, then right, then open the rope. Left hand stays on top, hands stay close together. Nice, quick, fluid. Variation number 3, guys, we are breezing through this and I'm getting super tired already. We're gonna incorporate the kind of open southpaw side swing open. So the one side is side swing with the run. So this is how this move looks. As you've got the run skip going, you're gonna go one side swing opened. So left open, right open. The key to this move is whatever side you open from, the hand stays on the bottom. So for example, when I go to my left hand stays bottom, on the bottom, right hand comes on top, open the rope. As it goes to my right hand side, right hand stays low, left hand on top, we open the rope out. Variation, guys, is to now incorporate a double under with a run. So this is how this move looks, if you haven't seen it already. Something that I've been doing for a few years now. Double under, run. Right, all you're doing here is as you take off with 2 legs, you land on one leg, then you continue your run. Get your timing right, jump off with 2 legs or 2 feet again, land on the other leg, continue the run. This one takes a lot of coordination. You know what, as I was talking just now, guys, I realized there's a really quick 5th one that I can add in there. I'm probably not have enough time on this 2-minute tutorial, but I'm just gonna squeeze it in there anyway. You can of course do the run skip with crossovers. This is just an epic move, one that is killer for your shoulders and will get the heart rate just literally on another level, man. So as you're here, you got your run skip going, crossovers, boom. There you are, man. Legs always keep moving. Bang out those crossovers. Like I said, this is a tutorial for all levels, guys. That's 5 variations. This is why this is the purest form of HIIT training. In 2 minutes, I'm already literally gasping for breath. Give it a go. Let me know in the comments down below how you get on, what you think of this tutorial, and I'm gonna see you in that next video, man. Always gonna keep it real. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace. Right, so for those of you still watching, I wanna show you guys how you can piece together these 5 variations. What you wanna do is just try and take it slowly, try and put them together, try and put them into a combination. Now, it doesn't need to be exactly how I show you right now, but this is just an idea of how you can put them together, make it look slick, make it look effortless, and you can just really just get it tied together really nicely, right? So you can start with your normal run, right? Mix it with a side swing, and a side swing crossover if you like. Back to run, then the one side it opens. Here, boom, boom, boom. And there you go. That's just an easy way of kind of combining them. Get to practice different kind of ways of putting each and every one together. It doesn't need to be that same order, but give that a go and it will make your transitions look next level slick. Trust me, I'm out of breath. That's how we do it.